How to find a lost or stolen Android phone. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how you can find a lost or stolen Android phone. So let's get started. So for this process, make sure you have remembered that Google ID that was registered on your lost phone. So you can now find the lost or stolen Android phone from that Google ID that was logged into your Android phone. So simply for that, you will have to open the Google Chrome browser on the second phone, like it will be on your friend's phone or in any devices. So simply after opening the Google Chrome, you will have to type here find my device. Okay, so from here you'll have to go with the option find my device. Okay, so now from here you will have to sign in with your Google account. So simply you have to click on the sign in option. Okay, so right now I have already logged in with my Google account here. So simply you have to log in from here. So simply on that you have to log in with your Google account that was registered on your Android phone that is stolen or lost. So simply after logging here, you will get the options like play sound on your device, secure your device from here, like it will be locked with your PIN, pattern or password, or you will be sign out of your Google account on that device. Okay, so after you log in with your Gmail account here you can find your lost phone with the exact location on the map. So it can be here. So like you can see the mobile signal is here. So simply from here you can view or find your lost Android device on your second phone. So if this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon over there for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.